And yeah, full TP, another 3RR, guys. Good evening, people. Hope you're doing very well. I just want to quickly show you some scenes. Basically, I'm currently looking at this. It's currently Saturday night. Got a few things going on here. We got kind of like a triangle pattern going on here, converging pattern you can call it. Two trend lines. Got the one from this wick connecting to that high, going across. You can see we're kind of like dancing around it. And then we have this one from this high going directly across. You can see how we tapped it to perfection. But what I'm looking at here is, you can see if I just zoom in a tad, we have another trend line, which I really mess with trend lines on the weekend because they just play out perfectly. Add some Fibonacci in there from the whole move. You can see we tapped the golden pocket, kind of double bottomed. Now we're just trading above the 0.5. And we are currently trading outside of this trend line. So, I mean, technically we should get a nice little pump. Probably if we do to come and claim these highs. I did put this trade box here. And so this is a screenshot. See on the 1 hour time frame, I put the box there, and you can see we were just breaking out here. Good morning, people. It's currently the next morning, and as you can see, price is moving up, which means if I had entered this trade, I'd be in profit. However, we still haven't claimed the highs yet. So yeah, just gonna set a little alert, and just call it a day, move on, go to the gym, and eat. And yeah, we'll see what happens after this. Goodbye. And as you can see, guys, full TP hit throughout the day. My alarm went off that I set, and yeah, full TP, another 3RR, guys. This is a weekend trend line breakout. Literally every weekend, or 90% of weekends, you'll see a trend line. If you connect all the highs on like the 10-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour, if you'll be able to identify kind of like resistance, and as soon as we break above it and we close many candles, higher time frame candles, so like a 1 hour, that was my entry, was the 1 hour candle close outside of the trend line. So you can see we're bouncing around here. Then when we started moving up, I was like, cool, we're definitely closing multiple 1 hour candle closes outside of the trend line. So I expect higher momentum. So yeah, that's the trade. Please just try it every weekend on Saturdays. Just come on the Bitcoin chart, any time frame under 1 hour, you will see trend line. Like you'll be able to see resistance and trend line, and as soon as we break out of it, not as soon as, sorry, when we start be patient and wait for 1 hour candle closes, multiple at 2 or 3. Pardon me. And yeah, you will soon see that you claim the high. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned something.